So, what's up mga amigo and mga amiga? It's another day and I'm glad to be back. So, as you can see guys, there's no more, the kids are in school already.
Everyone.
No more summer vacation. It's all done, okay? By the way, this is just a quick video update. I'm going to do a tutorial or a vlog video so that I can update my channel. It's been a long time since I upload a video on my channel. That was last 2 or 3 months ago. Yeah, it's good to be back. I have a video tutorial lineup. Alam mo naman guys, mahirap din maghanap ng content. So yeah, it's good to be back. Stay tuned lang guys, okay? I will do a video how to make your laptop as a hotspot. You can connect your Wi-Fi devices on your laptop. I will do a tutorial about that. And also, I'm using a BlackBerry for the past 2 months as a daily driver because at that time my Android phone is something like it's not working. Anyway, I will just do a video about that BlackBerry. And what else? Yeah, just stay tuned on my channel, and if you're not a subscriber yet, of course please do subscribe, and there's a notification bell. You're gonna click that so that it will notify you if I upload a video on my channel, so they will update you. Okay, during summer guys, I'm so busy. Aside from work, we go other places because it's summer. Of course, we go out of town with the family, the company of my wife. They have summer outing, like going to Bantayan. There's no Boracay anymore. That's why I'm so busy and I didn't upload any video during summer. Okay, my last video is where we go to Bantayan last 2 months ago. So thank you guys, and yeah, I'll be back soon. Okay, no, I'll be back ASAP. Okay, thank you and bye for now. Bye.